Hey, I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video we're going to take a look at a variation of the common zip tie called the mount head zip tie. They've come in handy for me, and if you think you might be interested in picking some up, you can find a link for it down in the description. It's a little ridiculous how many zip ties I use on a weekly basis. I use them for cable management, prototyping. I'm even using one right now to keep my microphone in place while I'm recording this. Some people reach for duct tape. I reach for zip ties. But one place they tend to let me down is attaching stuff to walls. When I'm trying to route a cable across a wall, I've typically reached for these plastic cable mount things. They're not a great solution. They're more expensive than they should be, and I've had these stretch out and fail on me a number of times. Same with these nail-in varieties. So I was excited to find this slightly more expensive kind of zip tie with an extra ring on it called a mount head. The ring can be used with a drywall screw or a construction nail. They're typically UV resistant and can stand up to being left outdoors without fading or falling apart. The ones I see online are often rated for around 40 to 50 pounds, which seems amazing to me for such a small thing. They come in different lengths, but if you ever need something longer, you can chain them together, or if you're cheap like me, you can extend it with a less expensive basic zip tie of the same width. They're all compatible with each other. The payoff is, once you have a solution like this, you realize that there's nothing you can't mount to a wall. If you can zip tie it, you can hang it on the wall. It's liberating. So grab a pack for yourself. You can find links down in the description for a few different options. And remember, you can find thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.